All right, day 3 of riding. There's our Airbnb. We had a nice fire last night. And this is the view. It's looking like it's the calmest, hottest day so far. So we're gonna go north today, try to make it towards Parry Sound. Some new water. Right to Rook, boys. Or maybe he's going to, there's a bar right there, Henry's. I ran into a plane. You know how that goes. We made it to the Parry Sound Harbor and we're gonna eat at Henry's for gas. It was both of our tanks just came on empty, so we took a whole tank of fuel to get to Parry Sound from Honey Harbour up the Georgian Bay, and man, what a ride. Amazing ride. Well, we just had lunch and got gas in Parry Sound. There's planes everywhere, and there's we ate at Henry's. Now we're heading back to Honey Harbour, another 100 kilometers back down Georgian Bay. Here's the Rose Point Swing Bridge. This bridge will actually spin and let bigger boats through here. Lots of boats out today. Back in Honey Harbour. There's our Airbnb right there. We made it all the way to Parry Sound and back. We made it, I don't know how many kilometers. The app died on the way back, so it was about roughly 200 kilometer round trip probably. It was a whole tank of gas there and just over half a tank back. 2 hours and 20 minutes to get from Honey Harbour to Parry Sound on the way there. Oh, there he goes. He's going for Ben.